What's up, YouTube? My name's Chance. Channel is Chance Bishop's Breaks, and today we have ourselves another Life TCG opening. This is our third gold booster box here, and I follow them on Instagram, and I don't follow any other card company on Instagram. I don't care what Topps has to post on Instagram. I don't care that, hey, our highlighted special interest creator, Bad Bunny, or I'm just throwing Steve Aoki. He was one for a little bit. I know that. He pulled the super limited edition Jackie Robinson Bat Knob. What? How did he do that? I don't care about that. Their fake stuff that they post on their Twitter or Instagram. It's the same difference. I'm gonna call it. I gotta run the card trick now. I think it's 3 to the front. Yes, 3 to the front. Come on, Eurasian Hoopu. Good old Eurasian Hoopo. The common Raven, white cockatoo. There you go. We have the resplendent Quetzal. But I follow Life TCG on Instagram, and someone pulled a card that was so rare, even they shouted them out. It was only number to 50, and I think a lot of you guys that do probably watch some of my stuff are for the baseball content, and you go, oh, baseball, if number 50, sure, it's a low numbered card, but nothing to get super crazy over. Because there's 50 other copies. But, it's kind of shows the rarity of the population where you get a card at number 50. I think we got one that was to 400 in our last opening. That one got sealed up in the pack. That's, oof. Poor bar-tailed Godwit. Absolutely wrecked, that one is. We got the Saker Falcon Sacker to 20,000. Right now, 20,000 is the name of the game on our lowest rarity bird. All right, Eastern Bluebird, Baltimore Oriole, Great Hornbill, and we got the Blue Crane. First time seeing this colorful boy. All right. Song Thrush. This is the Great Tit. Hell yeah. Great Tit. You got the Blue Bird of Paradise. 10,000. Estimated to be alive in the wild. That is our new low of the day. Northern Cardinal. Bat Falcon. And we got the Tawny Frogmouth. Love me some frogmouths. Estimate about 10,000. Baltimore Oriole, the Great Horned Owl. We have the Osprey and the Toko Toucan. I always do this. Got to flip it around. Doesn't hold well. All right. Common Nightingale, the Common Swift, the American Robin. And we have the Red Kite. great spot. Woodpecker, the common pheasant, the lark. And we have the Kea. K. They should include pronunciations down here, I think, for simpletons like myself that don't know how to pronounce things. All right. Common starling. I think I'm not in focus. There we go. Great tit again. Bald eagle. And there you go. We had the great tit. Now we have the blue-footed booby. Good old blue-footed booby right there. Probably one of the most popular birds that are out there. All right. European golden finch, toucan, stork, and the great hornbill. Don't believe I've seen a great hornbill yet. Common nightingale, blue jay, plate-billed mountain toucan, $15,000 is not our lowest. Mallard, shoebill, and the New Zealand kaka. About 2,000 higher than what our current lowest is. Horned lark, American robin, tawny frogmouth, house sparrow, scarlet macaw, and the golden eagle. Definitely seen plenty of golden eagles here. Opened over our last couple boxes. Need to grab another pack of sleeves because we are now out of sleeves for the ones that we had. All right. Baltimore Oriole, Canada Jay, the hummingbird, the emu, and oh, brother, northern spotted owl. Of course, I do that. I knock over my stack of base. Let me restack my stack of base because I just put them down too aggressively, apparently. Knocked over the whole stack. It all fell over. All right. Should we get it down? We got the mallard. We got the white-crested turaco. $10,000 is that population right there. There's our hollow pack right there. So we're going to save that one till the end. The Rufus. Good old Rufus right here. So we have our hollow pack. It's going to be 10 cards, 10 hollows right there. Save that bad boy for the last open. Last pack to open. So we're about the halfway point. Thought one of those had a really bad corner on it. All right, the yellow crested helmet shrike. Helmet shrike. Good old yellow crested helmet strike. Our new lowest with 2,500. All right, the monk parakeet. Common gull. And the northern spotted owl. Red crossbill. The osprey. And the red kite again. Second time we've pulled the red kite. Let's just straighten up our stacks of hollows here. They're getting a little unkept. Good old Canada Goose. If you ever seen the show Letterkenny, there's a whole episode that has a whole bit about the Canada Goose. The Juan Fernandez Fire Crown. That is a mouthful of a name right there. The Juan Fernandez Fire Crown. About 4,000 population there. Not as rare as the yellow crested helmet strike. Shrike, not strike. Helmet shrike. The blue jay, the song thrush, the eastern bluebird, the Ross goose, harpy eagle, and Nearguard's sunbird. 5,000 left out there for the Nearguard sunbird. Dropped a sleeve. I have retrieved the sleeve. European goldfinch. New Zealand kaka. And we have, who was that? Grier falcon? The Grier falcon. Fancy one right there. All right, common starling. Oh boy. With poor eyes. The bee hummingbird. Saw one of these in our last opening. Getting down to the bottom, I'd say quarter-esque of the box, if not a little lower than a quarter. Canada jay, common raven, the song thrush, Ross's goose, the shoebill, the blue crane, and the New Zealand rock wren. About double the amount of the helmet shrike. Good old mallard. The blue lorikeet. And the snowy owl hollow rare. I don't believe I've seen the snowy owl yet. I could be very wrong. But I don't believe we have seen this bad boy yet. So we have how many packs left? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. 9 if you want to count the hollow pack. Another card just eating up here. Dude, good old partridge right there. All partridge, no pear tree. The common raven, the lark. Blue-footed booby. Second booby of the episode. Goldfinch, barn owl, snowy owl, and the martial eagle. Good old martial eagle. Baltimore Oriole, the robin, and the white cockatoo. Someone told me that these cards' rarities are on about 10th of the listed population. So the full art, so 100,000 cockatoos. So there's only 10,000 of the full arts made. So the blue boobies would be technically numbered at a 9,000, not 90,000. So I'd have to look more into that to see if that's an official statement by Life or if that was just a thing that he said on, I think it was our last opening here. The Honduran Emerald. Yellow Rumped Warbler, the Northern Cardinal. And we got the blue and yellow macaw making his appearance again. I feel like we've pulled in a macaw of some variety in every opening. The common kestrel, the blue jay, the emu, and we have the oriental bay owl. Good old bay owl right there. 2 normal packs left. The monk parakeet. And we have the sacker falcon. Last normal pack. Common swift, puffin, and the Toko toucan. All right, final pack. Here we go. It is our 10-card holo only pack. All right, so we have our Near Guard Sunbird, Bluebird of Paradise, the Rufous-headed Hornbill, Wandering Albatross, the Snowy Owl, the Blue Lorikeet, the Martial Eagle, the Shoebill, the Sacker Falcon, and the Ascension Frigate Bird. So we tied our lowest with the Hornbill, tie with 2,500. So we have co-winners today on our lowest population count, or I guess rarest card count. Shoebill, probably one of the more terrifying birds. They could fly. Their call sounds like a machine gun. If you haven't heard it, look up videos of them. And they are just some of the more intimidating avian species out there. You gotta think ostriches, emus. You know, they are designed to run 40 miles an hour. They got super sharp talons, and they'll, you know, they can gut you. But the shoebill just kind of sounds very scary. So the Rufous-headed Hornbill tied for the lowest with our Helmet Strike. And our Sunbird. So I'll get a quick recap going on. With our full arts, we have the Sacker Falcon, the blue and yellow macaw, the white cockatoo, the blue-footed booby, the bee hummingbird, the gray falcon, the red kite, the northern spotted owl, the rufous sabruing, the golden eagle, the frogmouth, the great hornbill, another booby, another red kite, the toko toucan, the blue crane, and their pendant quetzal. Those were our full arts from today's opening. They are not focusing. There you go. Those are all of our full arts from today. So nice amount of full arts, I'd say. And then here you go. We have our hollow rares from the opening. We have Near Guard Sunbird, the Bluebird of Paradise, the Wandering Albatross, Snowy Owl, Blue Lorikeet, the Martial Eagle, the Shoebill, Sacker Falcon, Ascension Frigatebird, Toko Toucan, Oriental Bay Owl, the Honduran Emerald, Martial Eagle, Snowy Owl, the Rock Wren, the Sunbird, the Juan Fernandez Fire Crown, the Key, the Northern Spotted Owl, the White Crested Turaco, the Plate-billed Mountain Toucan, the New Zealand Kaka, the Tawny Frogmouth, the Bluebird of Paradise, Sacker Falcon, and the Ascension Frigatebird yet again. And our two co-winners today of lowest population go to the Yellow-Crested Helmet Shrike with 2,500 estimated, and the Rufous-Headed Hornbill also with 2,500 estimated population. So, if you guys enjoyed today's opening, hit that like button, comment down below. Text on YouTube though. Peace out, rock on, stay super classy, and we'll catch you in the next opening here on the channel.